The star of the classroom. Understanding, star pupil. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll explore an interesting phrase used in English, star pupil. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it in conversations. So let's dive in. The phrase, star pupil, consists of two words, star and pupil. Star, in this context, a star is not the twinkling object in the night sky. Instead, it refers to someone who shines or stands out because of their exceptional qualities or abilities. Pupil, this word simply means a student, especially in schools. So, when we put these words together, star pupil refers to a student who excels or stands out because of their exceptional performance or qualities. To understand it better, let's look at some examples. 1. Maria is the star pupil in her math class. She always scores the highest. 2. The teacher was proud to have 3 star pupils who won the science competition. 3. Being a star pupil comes with its own set of pressures. Everyone expects you to always do well. From these examples, you can see that the phrase is often used to highlight someone's excellence in an academic setting. There are other phrases and terms that convey a similar meaning. 1. Top student. This is quite straightforward and means the student who is at the peak in terms of performance. 2. Whiz kid. This phrase is a bit more informal and suggests that the student is not just good at what they do, but exceptionally talented, often in a specific area. Using these phrases can add variety to your conversations, but they all circle back to the idea of a student who is remarkable in their performance. And that's it for today. Now you know what star pupil means and how to use it. Remember, language is all about expressing ideas, and with every new phrase you learn, you get better at conveying your thoughts. Hope this video has been helpful, and happy learning!